Ozavo ahaye juicy news. Bema obibia akwaba. Latest hot yakwa eramede bremo. Na ansana ensumni ngina bebano se wunya subscribe ya. Bomodi ya se ube subscribe to channel. Da wa like video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ba wo fufro so da wenye biwe na wo ensemo akoso ewo Ghana be mo adam. Afi yehwe eye ensemo abeto yepono so. Yinti eye sankomo ya aba abeto dwa yinti eye sansebi mainti. Ma me na sesa. Mo fa fo nyin nto so mami. Abrana oka the law is the law no ene eye nrade no. Production team wait my me favor na motumi aye nti we ye nrade no. We opposition ma hwe Abrana or power Akufo Addo abreso nti ma hu the difference no. Mu de mumi entie tu no. The law is ono kasa no smile but no am say nanim no I to say okay yenyan sa but listen me no we are ebia 2 minutes be ha no me say the law is the law ana ma me boa.
No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law.
No difference, you know. Bono kakrama me why madam.
To large facility that the hearings are being conducted in.
CIA. Thank you. Production team. Mu ya juma ni se animo mani aje. Ivan. Moga. Yanko.
The kind of mention with Dr. Aremeyaw Holy Family Hospital of your program.
Oh, right.
Medical director. Okay. And Ramenya Kwenya press conference in Kakrabat. Mantibia share because I was very embarrassed and very ashamed looking at Nema na Ekoso. But the na Ekoso you could see a visibly shattered woman. Or broken and clutching at straws. And some now all cannot be anywhere sabi ubetimi nyansa biya. Oh. And for her as a Chief Justice, I'm for well respect for her and as a for no. They were all acting on a grown woman acting on children's wisdom.
Oh, Ivan.
Also be a wenini, but wisdom now all pretty no. I am cry wisdom. Wisdom so there because Neman and Augusta no ye no. I said why supposed to know set Ghana for tetanus and basa. Mogabi. And what she did yesterday no. Or no one can say sealing the fate. She's done. And I am saying that she cannot continue to be Chief Justice. Maybe that's the reason why. So, petition now, the Constitution says must be heard in camera. And the actors in it no any right to bring it to public. The Constitution says that the whole proceedings must be heard in camera. The Chief Justice of the Republic of this country, and the administrative head of the judiciary, it is her job to safeguard the integrity of the judiciary. She's privy to this constitutional provision, but decided, say, a document that is supposed to be a private document and the Constitution explicitly says, say, must be heard in camera, no, or time petitioned by TV, so Eba bekika munsam de chere Ghana for doing that you know your position as a Chief Justice become untenable. Asabna mekano enti committee no proceedings na ekoso no se maamenu di bem kura na se osan ba we can drag her to court for this massive constitutional breach for her to be removed because adia oya and na make say because she's emotionally your friend saying driven you know. And she's acting on children's wisdom, no. Onyo who said what she did yesterday, you know, or no ankasa signed the fate. The last nail to the coffin, you know, or the bomenra. Because what she did yesterday, you know, was a flagrant abuse of the constitutional provision. That this thing must be heard in a way. And again, Mugabe. And some now ojina man na okikano, you could see conspiracy theories because nothing she said that grounded in law because law no you ever say we nim nyansa apa kofa legon regu yam still we nim nyansa say we nim nyansa apa legon dynasty or pa kofa no fa tweti an opa we e ma wu nyansa because in some na all kano the poverty of intellect logic any reason na you begin to ask yourself mami when no Chief Justice because in some now can be hot transit general. For instance, or say Edu's Lodge, our modern corner, intimidating. Who cares about your personal emotions? Who cares about your personal emotions? You don't call your friends Edu's Lodge. You are talking about somebody you are being accused and the constitutional process has been set in motion. You don't determine where that particular proceeding should happen.
Whether be
a state, and they choose you. And at the end of the day, where they choose, has nothing to do with now. Edu's Lodge now will be to judges. What kind of nonsense is this? But because she's arrogant, she doesn't see say Nemana or good anymore. What's it?
We're arrogant.
Oh, very arrogant, very despicable, filthy, arrogant character. And I fancy you because and yes, sir, and can no how can you do this? Because again, process now air cost, it's emotion. You are part of the process. You've not disconnected yourself from the process. Judges she's casting some kind of a spin on the judges, especially Justice Ponamine, because the reason is Daniel Ofori no de asema ba no
Supreme Court ansana mamebe wo.
Wodati
2016 no otesu.
Osepuna man na ote a case no so no adi asem ama Daniel Ofori pen ama Daniel Ofori adibem. Justice Asiedu na no issue no mo de court no wadibi enti no enu enti no omonye ya friend say omba bias. But this is a Chief Justice, the administrative head of the judiciary. We na make sure say people no will be integrity-driven individual. Honesty and candor will be on their part. Now, you as a Chief Justice cannot guarantee the honesty and the integrity of the people you are working with. And you want the ordinary Ghanaian to guarantee that particular thing. And I make us and some now can so what's now rationally, if you want to put it on the table and analyze her, you could see clearly say and she rather exposing herself. And again, one accusation or kind say shining star no crano or court registrar we are. There is nowhere in the constitution that says say group at the petition president that they should be a registered group. There is nowhere in the constitution that says a mutual petition president even within crime fanshim. But it is only fair say you breach the principles of natural justice in anonymity. No, I'm saying there is nowhere in the constitution that says Trump petition president you remove go and read the constitution. It is nowhere say even your name should be there. But in implementing it, we are human beings. You cannot accuse somebody without knowing your accusers, and it's the reason why I am making sure say okay, be known. Some able to verify. That is why I want whistleblowers and sometimes proceedings to me because but we're able to deal with the issue to the logical conclusion. I'm not a lawyer, but look at this coherent analysis that I'm making. But this is a Chief Justice, and she's making all this nonsense of allegation, just trying to build up conspiracy theories. Sammy Ghana for me say she's being hounded. Adia Oyen was a smear campaign directing at John Mahama, just trying to shop public attention. Sabi amam for me say be but why
Tim.
Oh, me say
dead on arrival.
She's just a small piece of the bigger judicial puzzle now. Try to solve no. Oh no, she's insignificant. Yes, she's insignificant. She's just a small piece of the larger puzzle. And because the average Ghanaian now who call for sympathy, is concerned about the integrity of our judiciary. And for me, where I sit as a Ghanaian, in recent time, when I look at the Supreme Court, rulings every Supreme Court, a market woman at Makola can look at it and say there is no sense in the ruling. For instance, how can you tell me it's a birth certificate and yet your friend is saying primary document, but travel document are a passport. If you are not traveling, you don't need a passport. Travel document in a private passport. How can we be sensible as a judge and make this particular ruling? These are things that my mom for lose trust and confidence in the judiciary. And again, my man Ankasani doing. And she's talking about your friends integrity. Yanti na Akufo Addo appointee obi a oye field parliamentary candidate of the MPP in the person of George Jau. E man betena panel so. Issue no buy go, issue no buy no. Your friend is saying, sorry, LWC concerned about Chief Justice Kachire say proceeding na e cost no enye political issue. I'm asking her say proceeding na e cost no. Is it a political issue? because Daniel Ofori is not a politician. Police in India or this you look a politician. Shining Star and a politician. So what is a problem? And again,
I mean, to when you be defending to say a former attorney general, MPP for any idea.
Oh, then I said I don't know that Mogabi. My main sign can't send back control. One of the some no me no one. And some no kind of see oh Shining Star no or person come make Gina I say or mama to one. Almost say another some beba. Okay, say we know kind say like she want to put them and ask them questions. You know they are not ready. Court by force. Now I would have fit 2020 elections I call it. Chachu Chikata wanted Gertrude to come and testify. Mo ka kire say mo man no kwan man begina box enyanto na toko no ka hu bi na ene obi a Shining Star no so me or ma testify because you can just write affidavit in support of your friends initial petition and the court will sit on it. That is what I'm telling you, say. You see, if or you be a sense of shame because she will not be putting that package of nonsense that she put out there yesterday.
A press conference.
It's just she was just manufacturing nonsense and attempting to sell same to Ghanaians, but we are not ready to buy it. And again, I say president establishing the premier facia, no president Ed, and I'm asking her and challenging her as a Supreme Court judge, say. Constitution article being a president breach here because Mugabe yati the constitution is very vague in its interpretation dealing with some of these. It says the president will receive a petition and forward same to Council of State to establish merit credence and make sure the threshold within which something can be identified as a petition or qualified. Yeah. President J and all forwarded the same to Council of State. Mamen can say there is no single constitutional procedure be a certain emotional regularizing how premier facie should be established. All that we know is the president receive a petition for it to Council of State. That has always been the process. Yet there are any problem president I the same process. You have the gut to come to the public space and say you are being handed for the and nobody even wanted to resign at this point. We want to get to the bottom of this particular matter. And again, also President Asane a warrant of way on Tiasia. You see, this woman is a joke. Mugabe tie, my time tie. So, constitution, you know, it's quite clear. We don't need to go to law school and say what I say. Constitution is say. So, Council of State established the premier facie, which means credence has been established. And the next line, I say, and set up a committee. So, President set a committee. Then there is a constitutional discretionary injunction on the president to exercise either to suspend the woman or let her stay. That power is solely rested with the president. Nobody can exercise that power apart from the president. So, this is the power that president has exercised. Then the Chief Justice go on public and say, what? I think she should give us a break. And again, last one. Or say, a man for a threatening is on resigning. Now, will be a Chief Justice will be threatening press conference. Why don't you go to the police? Fantastic. So you see, I think that what she did was an attention shopping stunt. Something or try to blackmail the president. But trust me, John Mahama a mistake now of falling for some of these things. Now, BBB now or institute woman where you pressure everybody, so I think that is bigger than the one who pay because Ghanaians are more say young sanitize your judiciary. You don't also change or no more fighting for. But we want the judiciary to be sanitized, and for me that is what we are looking out for.
As usual, Minia Ivan there. I mean, he has always caught my eye, and I believe that with time, no, very intelligent.
What to Kwabranka there?
Kwabranka.
Commander, what?
I Bobiansa, Martinenka, or no, so the law is the law. The law is the law.
Say the weekend, or Adanko.
Adanko there. Say Kwabrano, Adanko now winning an assault, you know. Say Adanko, my sword.
Adanko,
my sword.
The law
is the law. Kwabrano, the law is the law when the law is the law.
Thank you.
Kwabra de ni de watwum kakra
kajagum yama ekunkum
enti Mugabe we de say mame fa konya we so na mema omampani ene na pamfo nyina moni ha se ne adwumayefo be ya no mo ye no se osompa de wo de ma wo manfo a say enya de a mo manfo no omo emmo empaye ma obi enu okos e friend say obi enu okonsu ogu ne tamfo ankrem na obia nsoso ni wa okonshira oshira ni bisuefo.
Very true.
Nti me bom abaso ne adwumaso moye na mitie owura esedun ketia asem no na asem a ye mu bi no ya na ye hye ni abotre isanse ye ni soja sem no ya na eduru ba bia na edidi yeti ohunti no ya na ye pibibia jasu na de tie de se emperifo so se emframa de huhu pade a onya na obeka ya o mperi kofo de o ewe a ebe no o kan ma ne yesere se ensuonyunu ene fe ni panye nsuhye nti wo hwɛ John ni sune ne ban a enye huhu ene ode ye bibia na odafom di boko ensusu no baby we are no na he has delivered, and it's not about any vindictiveness or whatever. I mean, he is just abiding by the dictates of the constitution and the law. Intino me fa some free baby a ore se edun ketia ede na asem ni betu dwana. Mugabe, every state institution, every citizen of Ghana, by law established, no, answerable to the people of Ghana. Enti se wo hwe omo background from there ora eni yeboa krama the commission no anya accountable to the people of this country no crampo na from that background on kwa no I will see Timmy Dinaso near Cassette and conform answerable to the people of this country, no, cannot be in the hem of affairs. I mean, look, we have square pegs in round holes. Square pegs in round hole, no. Actually, say, Nipa only mejuma and Yamane Juma oye. It's say, Obi etia bontin na wa ye your friend is saying Abuduaba, why you more Abuduaba, and no twitwitwa homa. They said the Kuliku. Ohwe Kweku Annan na Tom and Jerry aware no wo se Kweku bi ana omo de na gina ho aso omo twetwetwe na obububu ne pa no sa na Akufo Addo de aye jemensa asare boss man ni Sammy tete ne srebo no srebo Kweku num ne omo electoral commission apia hene no ohun se wo hwe ya democracy the fare by na eni kwan se sankofo we mu omo wo ho enti mesume twanitia e wo ho na matoa so eye anti araba de ne so
enti e kama Ivan enko
enti emremu no
yisi ho ro kakra
say yes ye pay electoral commission say ne da bia me kan every word has a meaning. As we speak, we don't have an electoral commission. We have something that looks like electoral commission, and we say we see, and to the extent say Oma Sal etna infie na ya omuni MP dia no ntimi nye
but the woman is very wicked,
mesre
very wicked.
Ekwan bia e wo se
faso na koma bia no
ekwan bia wo se faso na omo ana omo pese omo destroy the democracy no ye betu omo asen ya twe omo aso mra kwan mu bibia ye illegality no me mfaso emra mu ye fa omo enkons ye frame sen emra nanim omo nyira emra nanim na ye ntu omo nsen na kitase no pro ye dream kankan bia akoso in the last 7 or so years omo aba in the hem of affairs bia no ye hwehwem na ye make sure say oman ni sika bia akwakodu omo nsem no ye nsabeka so hwe de we ani kun ni hotel no speed no mo di si hotel na hu be hia say be hwehwem because Charles Mensa the last time I check here no onya adwuma
listen mama Kweku Annan nsema national chairman Johnson Esedun Kajadi atuja na fin you move straight to annual press conference also suspending chief justice.
Okay, Mugabe, I think so I'm chair for Thursday class. Na menka say wo he evening class.
Where Thursday evening class.
Yes. So we hear your friend saying the Electoral Commission ne Jumadi Omodi in the past. The scars are quite clear, are visible. Our Ghana for can never forget. But we hear Nema at play in this country presently now. It looks as if say the focus is not on it. But no indemnify the Electoral Commission from the criminal engagement in the lack of trust are Ghana for the institution. My catcher said, you will Krobi and Kayetimi put 2 decent men with proper conviction in place. Situation like this, you will not wait. Say, Obi, a petition, and answer way. And Kajen Sam boss, Manasare, you say, your fra Kwabitete, why, and Kayetu Abaniwe Yan and come turning in or more resignation and communion coy because the period now on the tenor so as electoral commissioners, all that they did, they destroyed the reputation of the institution called the Electoral Commission. Ordinary Ghanaian any trust, confidence, any hope be our institution. And I think that the track record are quite obvious. But it's unfortunate Nipana very often we put them in leadership position, in sensitive position like this, most of them lack integrity, they lack candor, and they think that they are service because somebody put them there. So the whole agenda is say we are servicing the person or the bar and I say all the position and singing hallelujah choruses. All that they do is say a bit me guarantee that particular way. Because the men san near my why you kruma and ya Ghana for na se be near be and I said Biatia Manuel Samasia. I'm telling you Zenka before 2024 elections, in Kejato Okroma saying. Because there were a series of senseless decisions upon senseless decisions that these people were taking. I threatened the foundations of our democracy. In the sub-region, there are countries the scars of electoral misunderstanding are quite clear. Obeko Sudan, Obeko Hwai, Nayate, Rabo Hwai, because of electoral misunderstanding or they couldn't handle it. But fortunately, we were able to handle. Electoral Commission at some point in time became so belligerent to the stand there. Actors and stakeholders in the elections, they were not ready to listen to anybody. They were running the institutions at the behest of their personal twisted whether emotions or whatever that they wanted to do. So I know that they lost touch with the actors and they had to go into this particular election. And election we sat down in this country and never call election now a constituency. Atena Kroma for almost 4 good years with data representation. That was a criminal, saying, an engagement. As an expected, and something could have been done to salvage the situation because constitution, guarantee everybody in this country to have a representation in parliament at any point in time. Mugabe, this woman said that Sunday, the Monday, I to Abano. And we issue statement a significant part of voter region from that particular way, and she denied them the representation. Yet to Abaniwe, now we were hoping Senka sorting a mitigatory effort will be advanced to ensure that the situation. She never, because Onimisa Koto Abana NDC was going to win and they will have upper hand in parliament. This woman sat down and we couldn't do anything about it. And I didn't know one at the core. You go into nano elections in a bit of Yablukumasema walking. Almost a pink seat or moon. A pink seat, the command and papa no command. So if the Electoral Commission cannot assess pink sheet, it means that you are incompetent. You don't qualify to be there. Exactly. And the person who appointed that particular person is also incompetent. And now Yantia, America. So we follow Trump, the attempted assassination on his life, They pin it on the Secret Service. Mamena, the head of Secret Service, and she was nowhere near the place, but she was sacked. Why? Because the ultimate way, stop with her. So the head of the Secret Service in America, because of Trump's attempted assassination, was booted out. You understand? So that is how people take ultimate responsibility. These jokers have been sitting in office, masquerading, walking around upon all the embarrassment that they brought into this country. They still call themselves commissioners in this country. I think that is quite pathetic. And Jemensa, I'm telling her, or no petition, a good bag, ma, I'm telling you, because no quite any day easy chain your friends saying easy because criminal activities on my no chroma boss man and some of being and waka certain post in name of my no chroma no it will be very easy but I think and kayanko the UK way Prime Minister na hena name nko ya no say resign. Na no yentiana Canada Prime Minister resign. But so why can't they do the same thing? Honestly, you resign and go. You understand?
But you say
but these jokers will hang on to power until we sack them. And for me, I am concerned about the integrity of the judiciary.
And the law.
It's the law.
Let me see why.
Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to share the video to all platforms. I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.